So I saved it and closed it and saw this mess. I thought it was quite amusing. Obviously it was showing me drawing, but not, I couldn't see it. So hang on a minute, I'll get rid of this and I'll carry on. Okay, so we've got equations set up here. So as I said a second ago, you could have just equated each one of these to these individual values as well. But I've chosen to do it this way, so I'm going to rewrite this first one. So I'm going to join my numbers. So I'm going to have 44 equals 4t plus 4s. So I've just rearranged that. From this one here, I know that 4t is equal to 7s, which means that this and this are equal to each other. So I can replace this 4t up here and say that 44 equals 7s plus 4s. So 44 equals 11s, so s equals 4. Okay, so I found the value of s. I now need to find the value of t. So I can stick that into the, oh, actually this one here. So 4t equals 7 times 4. 4t equals 28. T equals 7. So if s is 4 and t is 7, then obviously in answer to the question how long after it, it's 7 take away 4, which is 3 seconds. Okay, last question. So let x equals blur. Use the quotient rule. Right, so let's remind ourselves what the quotient is. Quotient rule. Okay, so this shows us that this is u, this is v, so that means du dx is 2 and dv dx is 2x. Right, now we're going to stick them into this formula here. So we've got f dash x equals v. So we've got x squared plus 5 times by du dx, which we said was 2, minus 2x times by dv dx, which is 2x, all over v squared. So that's x squared plus 5 all squared. Okay, so we've got x squared plus 5 times 2. So that's 2x squared plus 10 minus 4x squared on the top. I'm not going to rewrite this at the bottom because it's too hard. And then 2x squared minus 4x squared is negative 2x. So we're going to write 10 minus 2x squared on the top. And then that same thing on the bottom. Okay, done. Find integral of that. Okay, let's see if we can fit that in here. So let's remind ourselves. Integral. So So if we've got the integral of 1 over a function is going to be ln. Okay, so it's going to be ln x squared plus 5. But that 2x is still there. But it's not just x on the bottom, it's x squared plus 5, so we then have to divide by the derivative of x squared plus 5, which is 2x, which means that they disappear, and we just get ln x squared plus 5 plus c. Okay, so this function here, similar to this, it's a 1 over, or in this case it's a 2x over, so we leave the 2x there, integrate as though it were just x, so it's ln, but then have to divide by the derivative of what's inside the bracket, which was the 2x, and then they cancel. Alright, the shaded region enclosed by the graph, and then the region of area ln7, find q. Okay, so if they're talking about the shaded region, and we're talking about area under the graph, so we're talking that the integral between these two, so the definite integral between these two values is ln7. So, so we've got square brackets, what did I say it was? ln x squared plus 5. Between q and 5 equals ln 7. Okay, so let's get an expression. What's a q? God. ln q cubed plus 5 minus ln root 5 cubed plus 5 equals ln 7. Okay, this is a messy thing, so we've got square root of 5 all cubed, so let's keep this ln q cubed plus 5 minus ln of, so this is 5 to the power 3 over 2. Gosh, you're fine with that. Okay, because it was the square root of something is the same as the power of half, and then 3 times a half is 3 over 2. There is 0 chance that you think that that looks like 3 over 2. Try and rewrite it. Okay. Right. Then we know that laws of logs tell us that when we're subtracting log statements, we would divide. So we've got ln of cubed, oh god, cubed plus 5 over 5 to the 3 over 2 plus 5 equals ln 7, which means that q cubed plus 5 over 5 to the 3 over 2 plus 5 equals 7. Right, let's rearrange this. Why have I been writing cubed? Lord above, it was squared. Oh Lord, hang on, let me change all them. Ridiculous. Okay, so we've got now 10 on the bottom, because obviously root 5 squared is just 5. So we've got sugar. So we've got q squared plus 5 equals, so the 10 on the bottom is going to be multiplied with 7, so 70. So q squared equals 65. So q is the square root of 65 plus or minus. So sorry about that. It's the end of a long day. Okay, I know it's only 8:38. I'm useless. Right, thanks.